Hello everybody, my name is Carlos Perez and welcome to Carlos Cook. Today I present my refrigerator and the food that are in. Okay, let's start. In my refrigerator there are some fruits. There are orange, three orange, and red apple, four, eight, four apples. And also there are vegetable. Well, um, I have tomatoes. There are five peppers, one lettuce, and one beetroot, and also guayaba, and 7 potatoes, and there are 3 onions and 3 garlic. Okay, this is vegetable. For drinks, and there are water, orange juice, and maybe yogurt. For its cereal. Okay, for cooked pancakes or arepas, there is flour, corn flour, and oats. Okay, I live in a town very hot. For there are panela. Yeah, panela with water, a bit ice and lemon is all. Well, for this there are some sauces. Okay, I like the sauce for this mustard. There is soja, mayonnaise, and ketchup. Also, there is hot sauce. I like hot sauce. Well, for the protein, there are a few eggs and a little chicken. There is chicken. Also, there is sausage. Okay. Also, there are cookings for accompanying with just green or hazelnut cream is delicious. Well, also I have there is syrup and there is honey. Yes, I think it is really good. Also, there is a bit butter. Well, it's all for today. This is the food in my refrigerator, and thanks for watching. We see the next week. Goodbye.